If you've been bound up in the confines of pride, tune into this reading with aspects of surrender and flexibility. Just be flexible with me here as I read my notes. Collaboration, flexibility. And surrender. Let's see what the language of color has to say for the viewer today. Hello, high flyers. I'm Anthony, the empathic elevator. And I'm here to help turn on that divine light inside of you, to help illuminate your inner being. I get 2 more cards out here. Ascended Masters, Ascended Ancestors, Angel Spirits and Guides. And that's gonna be it. Let's see what we got here. Rejuvenate the body with a number 8. Rejuvenate the body with commitments and, being committed to a balanced body. And this is also about foundations too with Ruby. Ruby red fire is associated with Archangel Uriel, who is the Archangel of the Pentacle, the earthly measures. So in that, the rubies are included. Number 8. 45, create a balanced life. Create a balanced life. Really heavily being emphasized this weekend. I invite you to tune into yesterday's reading, which was almost entirely about balance with the 2 of Pentacles. Violet is the color of the crown chakra. So it might be privy of you to take measures to balance your crown chakra. 2, 3, 4 on the timer. 4, 3, 43, and the number 7, and mauve. Enjoy clear hearing. We're gonna open up that throat chakra. That 5th chakra is associated with hearing as well, being able to hear the truth, hear your own truth and others. And the color mauve is very gentle and nourishing, brightening. Listening in to what can brighten your day, like these beautiful flowers, and bring in some clarity into the crown chakra. We have connect to spirit and nature with the number 1 card, and rainbow, connect to spirit and nature. So you bring in that rainbow light. The rainbow warrior that is you. If you're watching this channel, 3:33 on the timer, we are collaborating as light workers, as ascended beings, those folks tuning into their mind, body, and spirit. 345 on the timer. And the 13 card, nourish your body and soul with chocolate. Nourish your body and soul. Bringing in some sweetness into the day, allowing perhaps a gift of chocolate from others. But that chocolatey energy is about the feel goods, the allowing ourselves to enjoy some simple pleasures, and even for just a moment to listen to your indulgences to create a balanced life, because what fun is life without a little bit of sweet, a little bit of chocolate? I'm not saying go eat a whole chocolate bar or go binge 444 on the timer, but create new foundations that allow balance and flexibility and loosen up the reins a bit. Also ground yourself. Chocolate can be very grounding as well. going for a walk in the woods, connecting with nature with Auburn and the number 11. And that's about making sure that your vibration is in alignment with your desires with Auburn. So you may be 43, 45, born on the 8th, 11th, 1st, or 5th. You may also be 40 or 3. And we have indigo. So we have both the crown chakra and the third eye chakra wanting to be paid attention to today. Spirit inviting you to enjoy clear sight, improve your vision, as the card says, and enjoy that clear insight, inner sight of the inner eye, the pineal gland, which is indicative of indigo. And just like that rainbow, tuning into those higher chakras as well as getting grounded. So getting grounded in 6:09 on the timer, getting grounded in that ruby red Gaia grid, and grounding ourselves with Auburn, but also opening up to spirit to create a balanced life, a balanced circuit. The crown chakra is in fact connected to the ground, to the root chakra, and a circuit type that requires both to be balanced in order to integrate properly. And then we're invited to have fun with your inner child. Enjoy some melon, some watermelon, some fun, something refreshing. Do something refreshing today. Allow some sweetness into your life again with watermelon and chocolate, indicating some need to allow some sweetness into your life. 7:07 on the timer with those 7s. That is this divine number of choice, as well as, I love that, choice and, good luck, strength. Angel spirits and guides, what do we have for the viewer today? Thank you for tuning in, for your likes, shares, and subscribes. Thank you for sharing this with anyone who might enjoy or need to hear this message. So the underlying card is abundance in the 36 card. I am grateful for the abundance nature and the universe provides in my life. Being grateful for the abundance nature and the universe provides. Air elemental, echoing that rainbow energy. Embracing the element of air with this beautiful air goddess. Inviting you to spread your wings and continue to embrace the element of air and be open to the knowledge and the wisdom of the air energy. Being open to the knowledge and wisdom, allow it to flow like air into your mind, to fizzle into your brain like a rainbow, rejuvenate the body like a ruby. Archangel Gabriel with number 22, a prime number. May be 22 or born on the 22nd. I invite Archangel Gabriel to bring hope and intuition into my life. That feminine energy, this lunar energy. We're still in the energy of the blue full moon. As it wanes, feeling less stimulated by it. However, it still has its effect. You may be interested in calla lilies or have received some calla lilies planted also. And that pose of looking up, where she looks up to the sky with hope and intuition. Creating a balanced life, to allow others to bring us hope as well, including Archangel Gabriel, the messenger angel of the West. Your own path. Enjoy clear hearing so we can find our own path. Improve the vision as well, offering this purifying light, receiving this purifying light as well, that's activating this gate before her, this gate to the dreams with a dream catcher, which is going to, filter out any energies that aren't on the path, providing protection for your path ahead. We have the dragons guarding the path as well, so you have dragons helping you to follow your own unique path with courage and strength. Courage and strength. You may also be interested in yesterday's reading because it talks about inviting in the courage and strength of Archangel Michael. We have the 26 card, the crown chakra. The crown chakra, the violet, and create a balanced life. I know I am a part of Source, and my life is guided by divine wisdom. Being part of Source, being guided by divine wisdom, opening up our hearts and our hands and our minds to balanced energy, to release what is no longer serving and bring in that high divine light, as well as with the ruby to ground ourselves in the earth energy too, so we can walk. 11:55 on the timer, and that is about being in vibration with embracing change. Embrace change, the 31 card. I move easily and confidently through the changes in my life. 12:12 there, you may be seeing 12:12 or repeated numbers. 22:22, 21:21. The 31 card, and that's about building your foundation, embracing change, embracing the seasons, maybe moving somewhere, migrating to a new place as you walk out on your own path. Allow yourself to get grounded in spirit so you can be open to your own path in front of you. Forest Frolic and Maiden coming out 2 days in a row here. I acknowledge my inner child and I open my heart to the joy she brings. So listening and enjoy clear hearing, acknowledging that inner child. We also have Watermelon, inviting you to have fun with your inner child. So you look how she's dancing and frolicking in the forest, perhaps even enjoying some plant medicine with mushrooms indicated, connecting to orbs, connecting to spirit, and transformation with the butterflies. And, holding gratitude and the joy for little earthly beings that come in to connect as well. Well, looky there, we have Archangel Michael coming out with his offering of courage and strength to help you tune into abundance, to tune into your own path. I am grateful. This is your affirmation. I am grateful for the strength and courage Archangel Michael brings to my life, as well as Archangel Gabriel for the hope and intuition. And the final little extra card here. I celebrate every day by honoring and respecting all life on Mother Earth. Celebrate life, living in balance and harmony with nature. Harmonious flow with the water flow, and opening up our wings, our sight, our wisdom, our knowing, and being open to change with the hummingbird, the eagle, the jaguar, and the wolf, all of the directions of this physical plane, She has these kind of like dragonfly wings too, and perhaps you've been seeing dragonflies or eagles, wolves, perhaps even a jaguar, depending on where you live. And this is about that transformation, opening up to that earthly piece of ourself and celebrating this beautiful life that we've been given. Just gonna add that right in the middle because that's kind of like center to this whole reading, celebrating life. Let's see what the tarot cards have to say for September the 3rd. September the 3rd. What do the tarot cards have to say today? Angel spirits and guides. Maybe some of y'all need a nap with that yawn coming through. Let's see what we got for now. The Four of Swords. This is taking some time to rest. Four of Swords is about bringing balance, going within. Kind of, I almost see this as like a holster for our swords, putting our swords up on the wall while we reach for balance. As above, so below. The Two of Wands, more about balance, creating a balanced life, but also this is about walking onto a new path, a decision to be made. And this too is about your personal fire, your personal creational energy to choose your own path, to make a choice in general. We got two paths before us to choose from. And that violet energy asking you to open up to the wisdom. So we have the Four of Cups next. We have two fours on the board. Four of Cups, you may be seeing 444. And the Four of Cups is about where we may feel comfortable, even to the point of feeling stuck with what we have. 1818 on the timer. Those nines and nines, about nearing completion. So it's time to step out of our comfort zone. Time to step out of solitude. We've built these new foundations, and it's okay to move forward into what would be tension when it comes to Five of Cups next. La Roue de Fortune. La Roue de Fortune. In the upright position, this is about luck coming in. I'm gonna cover up the Sphinx's chest there. And this is about being poised at the center of the wheel and knowing that the wheel is bound to turn in your favor. Things have a habit of working out, coming out. Connecting to spirit and nature as well. Connecting to the nature of things with the Wheel of Fortune, as the wheel is just the nature of the beast. You know, the ups and the downs of life. If we can find ourselves at the center of the wheel, then we may perhaps no longer be affected by the individual stop points, stop places. Another four on the board. So again, with that 444 energy, we have the Four of Pentacles. So this too can be about feeling a little stubborn, a little like isolated. And it's also about foundations. We've been working on our foundations, building a new mental state, building that are strongly rooted in the earth, nourishing the body and soul. Ooh, yeah, this is about creating balance once again, equanimity, balance for yourself, but also on the shadow side of this card, it can be about feeling a little stuck, like we don't want to reach for more. Like maybe we don't feel like indulging in something that may perhaps bring us into a sense of scarcity. And so thus perhaps you're even holding on to, some money for a later day, thinking that if you hold on to it, you won't have to face scarcity. But when we face scarcity, we can move forward into balance when we understand what brings up scarcity. So even when moments of, Five of Pentacles energy, which comes after Four of Pentacles, when that energy comes in, it's an opportunity to acknowledge, to enjoy clear hearing, and then to ground that energy and ground your power with the Roi de Bâton. The King of Wands is the king of power, king of truth. He's also wears a shirt of groundedness. He's a red shirt and wearing his power on his lap, like that wrap that it is. A garment. This too is about where are we going to put our power? What are we going to choose to grow with this vibrational energy? Also to ground yourself, perhaps nurturing a plant, going outside and working in some soil to help to charge those spiritual batteries. Just making a mess of my cards here. Whew. So we have the Two of Swords with the air element down, embracing the element of air and open to all knowledge and wisdom. Oh, the Two of Swords, you've been feeling a bit stuck, a bit guarded, or blocking ourselves from having clear vision with indigo, perhaps feeling like guarded as well as with the Four of Pentacles and the Four of Cups about love and money and creation. Even blocked by mental mental cycles that are quite have a sure of what's up or what's down, which way to go. So I embrace the air and I'm open to all knowledge and wisdom. What is the silver lining of why you feel stuck or the need to feel guarded? And with the Three of Cups, we may be struggling to celebrate. You're struggling to celebrate, okay? So that's about, being willing to open your heart to those who want to celebrate with us, to offer a cup of love, an upright position. This is about, collaboration and coming together of like minds and souls. So inviting Archangel Gabriel to bring hope and intuition into this concern for who it is you can celebrate with. It sounds like you're concerned with who it is you can celebrate with. We have La Papisse. La Papisse in reverse. So this is the High Priestess. The the Hierophant. La Papisse is like the priestess, the Hierophant, the one who looks from dogma, looks to a book, you know, to feel confident, to feel, you know, of the rightitude to this throne. And this is reminding you that you don't have to follow the old ways, to follow your own path with courage and strength, not to necessarily listen to the old dogma, the old religious ways of doing things. That you're allowed to have your own opinions and your own ideas of how your life is, what's right for you. We have the Seven of Swords in reverse. Quite a handful of reversals here. And the Seven of Swords, so this is about letting, in reverse, is letting go of betrayal, letting go of sneaky energy or self-deception, letting go of the projections of others that are trying to deceive us from our own true path, embracing change coming in, and, you know, the crown chakra to acknowledge, to use that, open up to the divine wisdom of source so that we can see through the illusions of the mental battle that is kind of being a human. It's kind of like this mental battle with others and ourselves. Then we have La Batelleur. La Batelleur is the magician. We see his little hat has got the infinity sign on it. And he's also, you know, like kind of playing a little game here. There may be someone in your life creating illusions, making a little game for you. Or perhaps it is you that needs to be distracted by a game to tune into impermanence. And, you know, to have some fun, to celebrate life, to be colorful, like the jester. The magician is about change, too. Magicians change our point of view on something, change what it is that we thought we understood or have seen. We have the Eight of Pentacles. And the Eight of Pentacles is about continuing that self-mastery. This is about building confidence, building that courage and the strength to march forward. That's also can be about gratitude, having gratitude for how far you've come with 28 on the timer. That's 1 and 1. And, you know, kind of about being a new beginner, being the student with Le Batelleur, learning something from the magic of life and celebrating life by honoring and respecting all life on Mother Earth, and respecting, honoring these pentacles that we've obtained, gained so far, the marks on the chart, if you will, the allocates of hard work. Angel spirits and guides, what else do we have for the viewer? We have the Three of Wands is the underlying energy. This is about making progress to move forward, taking the steps to move forward, collaboration with others, and balancing our power with others. With the Wands, that's about personal power, and having fun in the process. With Watermelon, have fun with your inner child, that forced frolic. We have the Six of Wands. This is about balance. Once again, balancing our power. Moving forward. This is energy that's being ready to move forward on that unique path, to use this creational energy to create something new, create something that's balanced, and perhaps they're even getting ready to walk away, move away from old cycles, and having fun with the process. We have the potential energy coming in with the Ace of Wands, this fuel, the fire, this potential to create a new cycle, a new relationship to our power and to what we can grow with it, with the vine in the shape of the infinity sign. It's about impermanence and the impermanence of the abundance. The abundance that nature and the universe provides, that we can use this power, our passion, to create something new with. Roi de Paix is the King of Swords. This is about discernment, decision making, being grounded and secure, allowing ourselves to sit in our knowing and our truth and open up that crown, or the crown he's wearing. So again, with the crown chakra. And the final card is the Nine of Swords reversed. The Nine of Swords reversed is about releasing these mental patterns, mental weight, these old cycles of feeling beat up and blundered by projections of others, and perhaps even gaslighting yourself, or old thought forms coming up. So Spirit asking you to open up that crown chakra, create a balanced perception through wisdom and knowledge that we receive, as well as clear vision, 3232 on the timer, and embrace change with those fives coming out. So September 3rd is a conscious shifting adventure of shared understanding. While Virgo season can inspire a sense of perfectionism, try to embody the quality of flexibility with a number 3 instead. Flexibility, collaboration with the Three of Wands. Rather than having all of the right answers, seek out the varying options and perspectives of those around you. By letting go of the notion of certainty, you can absorb new information and learn from the unexpected. And while you're at it, enlist the help of others through collaboration. Three of Pentacles. How can your work be best served through the knowledge and expertise of your coworkers or friends? Get out of isolation and don't be afraid to be the apprentice rather than the master. You can gain new skills as long as you are willing to drop the confines of pride. Want to master this day? Surrender in the hangman, your ego. Surrender your ego with the hangman card. By dropping the binary thinking that keeps you closed off from new experiences, dropping these old ways of thinking, the old paradigms, you can open your mind to the spiritual breakthroughs that you've been searching for all along. There is radical freedom within letting go, which inspires the mind to bend and shift and allows you to see life through an entirely new lens. Yes, a new lens with indigo, and improve your vision. That King of Swords energy as well. Today's mantra: I will sacrifice my prideful sense of certainty in favor of a spiritual breakthrough. Today's journal prompt: which coworkers, friends, or historical figures can I learn something from today? Try to practice mindful thinking throughout the day. Notice every time your brain tells you something you must, should, or have to do, and detach yourself from these fear-based thoughts. Yes. Today's ritual, sorry, I just read that. Born on this day, Madeleine Vernet, a French teacher, writer, libertarian, and pacifist. Well, the first person out is French, and we have these French tarot cards on the board. 35, 35 on the timer. Those number 8s out here. Confidence. Margaret Higgins Hall, American reporter, war correspondent, and first woman to win a Pulitzer for foreign correspondence. The key to good decision-making is not knowledge, it is understanding. We are swimming in the former. We are desperately lacking in the latter. Swimming in knowledge and lacking in understanding, said Malcolm Gladwell, English-born Canadian journalist, author, and public speaker. Beautiful, beautiful. So today is all about flexibility, allowing collaboration, taking some time to step back from to go within, to step out of complacency, step out of confines of pride, from being closed off to new experiences, thinking that stepping out of that comfort zone. And I hope this finds you on an excellent altitude today. Take care of yourself and tune into the next reading. Bye.